splat. Baby shark turns rainbow splat. Blue and red and green go wow. Oh no, no! What now? Kitty builds a bubble machine. Sparkly lights, rainbow beam. Baby shark jumps in with cheer. Best bubble party ever here. But suddenly pop, big surprise! A bubble hits his tiny eyes. Pop, 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 pop. What just hit TV shark? Can't believe it. First bubble turns him ocean blue. Baby shark says, is this true? He looks like deep sea fish. Kitty laughs, make a wish. He tries to swim on floor instead, slipping, sliding on his bed. Second bubble pops out loud. Now he's red like spicy cloud. Baby shark starts spinning fast. Help me, Kitty, make it pass. He sneezes, pop, another hit. Now he's red and doing flicks. Sneak, 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 shake, shake. Green bubble falls from sky. Now he looks like jelly pie. Kitty says, oh, what a mix. Colors doing crazy tricks. Baby shark becomes rainbow bright, glowing in the dark at night. Suddenly the machine goes boom. Colors go bajnola mound. Kitty presses stop so fast. Yeah, bubble magic slows at last. Water splash, clean and bright. Baby shark turns normal light. Pop, 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 pop. Fight is done. Pop, 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 fun is done. Screambow chaos everyone. Kitty laughs, baby shark too. Rainbow fun for me and you. There's Farmer Kitty on the farm today, but something strange in a funny way. Dark Kitty on the farm bay. Something strange in a funny way. Not the cows, not the sheep. Kitty is eating everything she sees.
Oh, no, no, no. What is this?
Farmer Kitty gone wild like this. Cow says moo is my head. Kitty comes yummy. Okay. Biff crunch, crunch, crunch. Hey is gone. Cow looks shocked.
Mood is wrong.
Kitty smiles.
Still hungry more.
She eats the bucket, eats the floor. Crunch, 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 crunch.
E-I-E-I-O.
Kitty eats fast. Oh no, no, no. Kid says, Wink, my food is here. Kitty shouts,
Oh, yes. Cheer.
big burgers, apples, one big bite. Everything disappears in sight.
My food is gone.
Kitty burps,
Carry on.
Boink, 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 boink. E-I-E-I-O. Kitty eats it all, you know. Rooster shouts, Hock, hock-a-doodle-dee. Kitty says,
I'll eat that too.
Seeds, grains, crunch, crunch fast. Nothing lasts.
Nothing lasts.
Rooster cries.
What is this?
Kitty says,
Delicious bliss.
Cock-a-doodle, E-I-E-I-O. Kitty eats fast, don't you know? Sheep says, Papa, grass is mine. Kitty says,
Looks so fine.
pick grass one, whole field clean. Sheep says, this is not mean. Kitty rolls,
Yummy, yummy.
farm is now an empty tummy. Ba, ba, ba.
E-I-E-I-O.
Kitty eats it all, you know. Now the farm is empty land. Animals looking very sad. Kitty suddenly stops and sees. Oh no, I ate everything. She rubs her belly slow. Maybe I should stop. You know, farm Kitty had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. But she ate it all, you know, no. Oh, Kitty driving on the bus. Funny riders making fuss. How to conk here and bump it there. Crazy chaos everywhere. Riding on a bus, go, go, go. But something's wrong, you know. No. 5 funny riders riding on a bus. The one jumped up and made a fuss. Jump, crack! Went the bus front light. Kitty called the owl in the night. Wolf said, sit down, please. No more jumping on the seats. 4 funny riders riding on a bus. Monkey danced and shook the bus. Boom, boom, wheel went flat. Kitty said, what was that? Kitty called the tiger right away. Tiger said, drive slow today. 3 funny riders riding on a bus. Bunny spilled juice all on us. Bliss, splash, splash. Floor got wet. Slippery bus, you bet. Kitty called the panda bear. Panda said, cleat everywhere. 2 funny riders riding on a bus. Filthy bark and startled us. Honk, honk, horn got stuck. Loudest bus, what bad luck. Kitty called the parrot then. Parrot said, quiet again. 1 funny rider riding on a bus. Bear rolled down and crashed with bus. Bang! Door flew wide. Kitty said, hold on tight. Kitty called the bunny once more. Bunny said, fix the door. All funny riders fix the bus. No more chaos, no more fuss. Wheels go round and lights now glow. Kitty says, now let's go. Coco, riding on a bus, smooth and slow. Happy riders steal the show. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm a cow got sick. Does moo, 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 weak. Moo, moo, slow. Something's wrong, oh no, no, no. Cows. E-I-E-I-O. What to do? Dr. Kitty is coming through. Yeah, cow goes slow. I feel so bad. Bubble tea, no energy, feeling sad. Wow, no jumping, no happy sound. Just lying quietly on the ground. Jay. Farmer shouts, help me please. Cow says, moo, I need these. Moo, moo, weak. E-I-E-I-O. Cow is sick and feeling low. Just siren sound. Dr. Kitty runs in view. Don't worry, cow, I'm here today. I will chase the sickness away. She checks the ears, she checks the hoof. I see the proof. Healing job has just begun. Kitty job has just begun. Kitty says, open wide. Cow goes, moo, I tried. Moo boy. She gives a juice, rainbow bright. Cow drinks it in one bite. Trot, trot, trot. Cow starts feeling everything. Sip, sip, sip. E-I-E-I-O. Cow is healing nice and slow. Look at it. Suddenly cow jumps flying. Wow, I feel like I can fly. Ooh, becomes loud and strong again. Farm is happy like a game. 3. Farmer laughs. Thank you, Kitty. You are smart and super pretty. Moo, moo, strong. E-I-E-I-O. Cow is healthy, here we go. Low damn good. No. All animals clap and cheer. Love a good. Dr. Kitty brings joy here. Peachy?